The goal of this exercise is to install the door objects in the Building Information Modeling project. Here are some examples of the door objects that will be installed in the Building Information Model. The first doors that you will install will be the exterior doors. Here are examples of the exterior doors that you will install. These two doors here are exterior doors. This door is what is called a storm door. Information about the exterior doors for the project can be found on page 2 of your construction documents. If you look on page 2 and look at item 18, this particular item will provide you with specific information about the exterior doors in your building information model. On page 2 of the construction documents, you will see that the main entrance door has a width of 36 inches. The other entrance door to the model has a width of 32 inches. On page 8 of your construction documents, that will show you the floor plan view. At the bottom left corner of page 8 of the floor plan, you will see a note that says all doors are 6 feet 8 inches high. The first door that will be installed will be the exterior door and storm door combination. This door allows entrance into the building from the outside into the kitchen area. The width of this door is 2 feet 8 inches wide, or 32 inches wide. According to the note in the floor plan on page 8, this door is 6 feet 8 inches high. In order to install the doors, you will need to make sure that in the project browser, in the floor plans, we will install these doors on the finished floor 1. In order to activate the finished floor 1 in the floor plan views, we will need to double click on it in the project browser. This will take you to the finished floor 1 floor plan view. To install a door object, you will need to select the Architecture tab. In the Build panel of the Architecture tab, you will select Door. In the Properties, you will need to select the family of doors that says exterior door with optional storm door. And what you will do is select any one of these options. You can select the one that says 3 feet 6 inches, 5.75 by 2 half light. We'll select that type of door. After selecting the door that you're going to install, you will place your cursor along the left vertical wall of the building. This exterior wall is where the door will be located. Doors in a building information modeling application are hosted by walls, which means that there has to be a wall in place before a door can be installed. So you will place the door approximately 4 feet 6 inches from this horizontal interior wall, and click. This should place the door along the vertical exterior wall. You will click on your modify button to break the command. According to the floor plan, you will notice that the door swings in this direction. So when the door opens, it swings in this direction here. In order to make sure that the door is swinging in the proper direction, you can select the door. You will notice that you have two sets of double arrows. The double arrows will allow you to flip the orientation of the door. So if I want the door to swing this direction, I will just click on the vertical double arrows. If I want the door to swing in this direction, I click on the set of horizontal double arrows. We want the door to swing in to the building, and we want the door to swing counterclockwise. The floor plan indicates that this door is 2 feet 8 inches wide. The door that we have installed here has a width of 3 feet. We will need to modify this door to match the dimensions that were provided in the floor plan, which says that this door has to be 2 feet 8 inches wide. To modify this door, we will need to make sure we select it in the building information model. In the properties, we will select the Edit Type button. In the Type properties, we will duplicate the door that is there. We will change the name of this door from 3 feet to 2 feet 8 inches by 6 feet 8 by 5.75 by 2 half light, and we'll just take off this last 2. So we're going to rename this door to match the size that we need. Here we will click on OK. Then in the Type properties, the dimension that we want to modify will be the width. We will need to change the width of this door from 3 feet to 2 feet 8 inches. All the other measurements should stay the same. We'll click on OK, and this will modify the size of this door. Now this door is 2 feet 8 inches wide by 6 feet 8 inches high. The other exterior door that we will install will look like this. This door gives entrance from the outside into the living room. This door has a width of 3 feet. In order to install the exterior door in the living room, we will need to select the Architecture tab. We will need to select in the Build panel of the Architecture tab, you will select the door. In the Properties, you will need to select the door that says Exterior Door. After selecting Exterior Door, you will move your cursor along the horizontal wall in the building information model, and then you will place the door along that horizontal wall. The door should be placed 2 feet from this vertical interior wall. When determining the orientation of this door, make sure that your double arrows are outside of the door. You want to make sure you select the vertical double arrows to make sure that the exterior side of the door is actually facing the exterior side of the building. Next, we will need to make sure we check the width and the height of this door to make sure that it matches the width and height information provided by our construction documents. In order to check these dimensions, we will need to select the door object. We will go to Edit Type. If you look in the dimensions for this door, you will notice that the door is 7 feet high and 3 feet wide. We will need to make sure that this door is 3 feet wide and 6 feet 8 inches high according to our construction documents. So what we will need to do, we will need to duplicate this door type. We will change the name of it to read 36 inches by 80 inches exterior door. Typically when doors are named, they are named according to the width and the height in inches. So 36 inches is equivalent to 3 feet. 80 inches is equivalent to 6 feet 8 inches. So we will name the door according to the width and the height dimensions and select OK. In the dimensions characteristics, we will change the height for this door type to 6 feet 8 inches. And then we will select OK. Now this door should have the characteristics that are identified by the floor plan. To see the door in 3D view, we will select the View tab. In the Create panel of the View ribbon, we will select 3D View. This will allow you to see one of the exterior doors in 3D view. In order to see the other one, we will look at our view cube and click on the corner of the view cube to see the exterior door with the storm door. The next door you will install will be in the living room, and specifically will be located in the coat closet. This door here is what is called a bifold door. The specific characteristics for this bifold door, it is a 2-sided 6-panel bifold door. In order to install the bifold door, we will need to make sure in the project browser we're on the finished floor 1 floor plan view. You are to select the Architecture tab. In the Build panel of the ribbon, you will select Door. In the Properties, you will select the one that says Interior Bifold 2 wide 6 panel. You will select the interior bifold 2 wide 6 panel door that is 30 inches by 80 inches. You will move your cursor along the interior wall that outlines the coat closet and click. This will install the bifold door that is a 2 wide 6 panel bifold door. According to the floor plan, this door is 2 feet 6 inches wide. The door opens from left to right. In order to indicate that this door opens from left to right, we will need to select the horizontal double arrows that are assigned to this door. So if you click on the bifold door, again you will see 2 sets of double arrows. The horizontal set will determine the direction that the door opens. In this case, you want to select the horizontal set of double arrows so you will indicate that the door opens from left to right. The next door to be installed will be the door that is leading to the stairs. This door is 2 feet 6 inches wide by 6 feet 8 inches high. It is a 6 panel interior door. To install the interior door that leads to the stairs, you will need to select the Architecture tab. In the Build section of the Architecture tab, you will select Door. In the Properties, you will need to select the door that is an interior 6 panel door. The door type you will need to select will be 30 inches by 80 inches. The reason why you select this option is because 2 feet 6 inches is equivalent to 30 inches. 6 feet 8 inches is equivalent to 80 inches. So you will select this door type under interior 6 panel door. And you will bring the cursor along the interior wall that is leading to the stairs, and you will click on that wall to place the door. This door should be swinging out in this direction. So you may have to utilize your double arrows in order to make sure that this door is swinging out and swinging clockwise. The next door you will install will be the bifold door that is leading into the closet. This bifold door has a width of 3 feet. This door is a 2 wide 6 panel bifold door. To install the 2 wide 6 panel bifold door in the closet, you will need to select the Architecture tab. In the Build panel of the Architecture tab, you will select Door. In the Properties, you are selecting the interior bifold 2 wide 6 panel bifold door. The type that you will select will be 36 inches by 80 inches. you will move your cursor along the vertical wall inside of bedroom 1 and click to place the door. You may have to select the double arrows in order to have the door to swing in the proper direction. So this door opens from bottom to top, and it opens out into the bedroom. So your door should look like this upon completion of placing the 2-wide 6-panel bifold door. The next door you will install in bedroom 1 will be an interior door here. This interior door is 2 feet 6 inches wide, and it is a 6-panel interior door. The 6-panel interior door looks like this. To install the 2 feet 6 inch wide by 6 foot 8 inch high interior door in bedroom 1, you already have an interior 6-panel door that has been installed in the building information model. If you want, you can select that door to highlight it, do a right mouse button click on that door, and you can select the menu option that says Create Similar. This will bring that exact door, make it active, so you can place it along this interior wall. So you place the door along the interior wall and click. This door should swing toward the interior wall here. So this door is going to swing into the room and toward this interior wall. In order to make this door swing into the bedroom 1, you are to select the vertical double arrows. Those arrows will make the door swing in to the room. I also need to make sure that the door itself is swinging toward this interior wall. So I will select the double arrows that are horizontal to make sure that it swings toward the wall. Then I can just select the door and use my arrows on my keyboard to move it closer to the interior wall. You will insert the interior door leading into bedroom 2. This door has a width of 2 feet 6 inches. To install the door object, you will select the Architecture tab. In the Build panel of the Architecture tab, select Door. In the Properties, you are looking for an interior 6-panel door. The type of door is going to be 30 inches by 80 inches. The door will be installed along this section of the interior wall. You will click on the Modify button to exit out of the door command. You are to select the door, and we will need to flip this door so it swings inside of the room and toward the interior wall here. In bedroom 2, you will also need to install a bifold door. This bifold door is a closet door that is 4 wide and a 6-panel bifold door. The width of this door is 4 feet. To insert the 4 wide 6-panel bifold door, you will select the Architecture tab. In the Build section of the panel, you will select the Door command. In the Properties, you are looking for an interior bifold 4 wide 6-panel door. The door is 4 feet wide by 6 feet 8 inches high. So you will need to select this option, 48 inches by 80 inches. You will move your cursor along the vertical interior wall, and you want to make sure that the doors open into bedroom 2. You will click on the wall to place the door. To enter into the bathroom, you have a 6-panel interior door. The width of that door is 2 feet 4 inches. To insert the 2 foot 4 inch wide interior door, you will select the Architecture tab. In the Build panel, you will select Door. In the Properties, you are looking for an interior 6-panel door. You are looking for one that is 2 feet 4 inches wide by 6 feet 8 inches high. In the options that you see here, 2 feet 4 inches is equivalent to 28 inches. We currently do not have that door type among your selections. So what we will do is we will select the one that is 30 inches by 80 inches. We will select Edit Type. In the Type Properties, beside Type, we will duplicate the 30-inch by 80-inch door. So we will select the Duplicate button. We will create another type and name it 28 inches by 80 inches. The reason why we are using 28 inches is because 2 feet 4 inches is equivalent to 28 inches. We will click on OK. In the dimensions, we will change the width dimension from 2 feet 6 inches to 2 feet 4 inches. In the Type Properties dialog box, you will select OK at the bottom right corner. After duplicating the door, you should have a door that is an interior 6-panel door that is 28 inches by 80 inches. We will place this door along this horizontal interior wall and click. The door should swing in to the bathroom and swing toward this interior wall. Inside of the bathroom, you have a linen closet. In order to access the linen closet, you will have to install another interior door. This door is 1 foot 6 inches wide. To install the door entering into the linen closet, you will need to select the Architecture tab. In the Build section, you will select the Door command. In the Properties, you need to search for a door that is a 3-panel door. We need a door that is 1 foot 6 inches wide by 6 feet 8 inches high. So you will select the one that is 30 inches by 80 inches, and we will need to modify this door. So we will click on Edit Type. In the Type Properties dialog box, beside the 30-inch by 80-inch type of door, we will duplicate this door. For the name, we will enter in the number of inches, which for 1 foot 6 inches, that is going to be 18 inches. So this door is going to be 18 inches by 80 inches. We will click on OK. In the Dimensions section of the Type Properties dialog box, for the width, we will change this number from 2 feet 6 to 1 foot 6 inches, because that is what is indicated on the floor plan. In the bottom right corner of the Type Properties dialog box, you will select OK. After selecting the 18-inch by 80-inch 3-panel door, along this vertical wall, you will install the door. This door should swing in this direction. So again, you just use your double arrows in order to change the swing of the door. This door swings into the bathroom. In the foundation, there is a door that is 3 feet wide by 6 feet 8 inches high. To install the door in the foundation, we will need to make sure we are in the top of footing floor plan view. So we will need to select or double click on TOF in the floor plan views. So double click on TOF to activate the top of footing floor plan view. In this floor plan view, you will be able to see the foundation walls. To install the door in the foundation, you will need to select the Architecture tab. In the Build panel of the Architecture tab, you will select Door. In the Properties, you are looking for an exterior door. In the Properties, you want to select an exterior door family, and the type of door will be 36 inches by 80 inches. So we will select this exterior door, and along the top horizontal wall in the foundation, we will click in order to create the door. You want to make sure that the double arrows are pointing to the exterior. So if these double arrows are on the inside of the foundation wall, you will need to click on the vertical double arrows to flip the door where the exterior of the door is outside of the foundation wall. To view the doors in 3D view, you will select the View tab. in the Create panel, you will select 3D View. Here you can use your View Cube and click on the corners to rotate the building information model to observe the doors that you have installed in the building information model.